Hey everyone, I'm Chef Z, and on this episode of Made to Order a la Orden, we are making Locrio de Pollo, which is simply a rice cooked with meat. Now, I already have a Locrio recipe here on my channel, and it is the Locrio de Salami, and it is one of those early made to order videos that's very near and dear to my heart, simply because I love that dish. Now, in general, I love making Locrio because it's really cheap to make and it will feed a village. Like, listen, guys, I only have about 1.5 to 2 pounds of chicken and about 3 cups of rice, and this is going to feed anywhere between 6 to 7 people. Now, if you have more people coming over for dinner, you can definitely keep the same amount of chicken, but just add more rice, and I promise you, they're not going to go hungry. I do want to note that you can definitely make this dish with bone-in chicken. Today, I'm using a mixture of some boneless chicken thighs and some boneless chicken breast, simply because I love the way that dark meat and that white meat comes together, in particular with this dish, because that dark meat is really going to give the rice some awesome flavor. So enough yapping. Like always, I'm super hungry. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to kick things off by marinating our chicken with some fresh onions, some green peppers, a ton of chicken bouillon cube or adobo. We're also going to add a little bit of lime juice, some sazón, some Dominican oregano or regular oregano, that will also work. I'm going to add a tiny bit of garlic along with some black pepper, and we're going to finish this all off with some olive oil just so that this marinade really comes together. Now, I'm over seasoning the chicken, so if you were to saute the chicken just like this, it's actually going to taste salty, but keep in mind, this is what's going to give our rice all that flavor, so the rice won't be salty at all. Then after you've marinated that for about an hour or two, we're going to warm up some oil, and then we're going to brown the chicken. Now, we're going to cook the chicken about 3/4 of the way through, and it's actually going to finish cooking once we add in the rice. But first off, we want to make sure that that chicken has some nice color so that the rice also has some nice color as well. So once you add the chicken, just give it a good stir, let it do its thing for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we're going to want to go in and turn it over as well, just to make sure that it's browning evenly on all sides. And then we're going to take about 1/4 cup of water. We're going to add it to the bowl where the chicken was marinating in. You guys know I don't like to lose any flavor. And we're going to add it to the chicken. The chicken is essentially going to stew away, so it's almost like we're making pollo guisado but with boneless chicken. And then we're going to add a tiny bit of tomato paste, and we're going to stir it in until it's well combined. And now we're going to let the chicken come to a full simmer, and you know it's completely simmering when it looks like this, and that's when we're going to add our rice. Now, anytime I'm making rice, I make sure to wash it beforehand. And once we add the rice is going to take on the flavor of this awesome chicken. So you already know that this locrio is going to be amazing. So be sure to stir the chicken, making sure that the rice also has all that color and that it's also going to soak up all that flavor. And once that rice has all that awesome color, we're then going to add about 3 cups of water, because remember, we are making 3 cups of rice, and I like to use a 1-to-1 ratio. Now, depending on your stove and depending on your pot, that ratio may be a little bit different, but a good starting point is a 1-to-1 ratio, and I go into full detail about the whole ratio and rice cooking in my How to Cook Perfect White Rice video. So that water is going to begin to simmer and boil all the way, and once it dries up, you know that it's time to go in and actually flip over the rice. Now, I like to be very careful not to disturb the bottom of the pot, because I love having some concon at the very end. It's like the best treat ever whenever you're making rice. And now we're going to add in the recao, and I'm using both types, cilantro and culantro, but you can use whichever one. And I typically like to keep it concentrated to the center of the pot. We're now going to cover it and lower the flame to the lowest possible setting. And after about 25 to 30 minutes, your rice should be completely done. And we're going to very carefully go in and fluff the rice, being careful not to disturb the chicken. Remember, we're using boneless chicken, which is cooked to perfection right now, so you don't want to shred it if you stir it too hard. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil just to get out some of those little clumps. And there you guys have it, my recipe for Locrio de Pollo. This rice tastes amazing with habichuela guisada or even some black beans, tostones. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and I can't wait to see you guys next week with an all new video. Buen provecho, guys. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Yeah.